Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again, and thank you for being here for watching this vlog. Goodies arrived thanks to my sponsor for bringing all the time goodies for me. And these goodies this time is from Chemist warehouse, so I'm going to try new products because of this, and Chemist warehouse has a great deals of product. If you don't know, in Australia, if you go to Chemist warehouse, you'll get a bit cheaper than normal price and good quality of products as well. So let's try checking each one of this item, and I'm so excited. Actually, it's just arrived. No, let me correct that. By the time I will upload this video, it's just arrived. I'm unsure, but let's try what's inside. Maybe we will try this one first. Oh, it's a hair color. 100% gray coverage. Why not? I'm beginning to get new gray, so I'm gonna use it. Perfect. Let's put that there. And next is, it's still about hair. It's called L'Oreal Vibe Extraordinary Midnight Serum. Dry hair. Oh, this is good for my hair. Although my hair is not drying out, but it's a serum. Everything good about serum. Yes, and I think I have 3 of this. 1, 2, 3. This is a long way to go. This will take me forever to use. And yeah, I like hair oil, and I've never tried a hair serum. Why not? I love free. Actually, my son brought it to me. He went to an event. It's like Chemist Warehouse Expo, which promotes so much products for the company, and he always gets a freebie. Actually, many people went there according to him and paid some amount and get all the freebies in one bag. Okay, let's proceed to this one. Garnier Vitamin C Serum Brightening. This is good. It's 3.5 anti-dark spots. I've seen this in shopping in a supermarket as well, but I didn't buy it because for me it's a bit pricey, and I use a different serum which is cheapest. But it works, and now I gotta try this on. We'll see if I like it, then I'll continue to use it. See Daisy. So I got 2 of these. That one. And what else we got here? I also got Pantene Daily Intensive Conditioner Collagen Repair and Protect Pro V. It's a conditioner. And this is the shampoo. It's a different one. This one is silicone shampoo, but it's hair repair as well. Collagen as well. Collagen is the new thing, guys. I'm using collagen drink. Alright, shampoo and conditioner, and I also got here chlorine dry shampoo ultra gentle. I tried using this products like this before, but I'm not really into this thing, but I'm gonna try. I don't wash my hair every day, so maybe this will be a good try as well. Chlorine, this thing that just pop out in the run. Chlorine, it's like chlorine. Two types with oat and ceramide. Ultra gentle. Okay, I like the ultra gentle one. And what else we have here? I got, what is this? Body lotion Ovidio, rosewood, palmarosa, and rose geranium. I like all the contents, the ingredients of all the things nowadays. It sounds so vegan and organic. I know it doesn't say, but it's anyway. Oh, I actually got 4 of this. Chemist Warehouse. Lucky. I'm lucky. I'm not gonna buy it all. I have also this Go Bar cookies and cream protein bar. Go Bar protein, sugar down. 30% protein. Why not? I had 3 of this. I already ate the other one. It's made of peanut butter, and this one is cookies and cream. Yep, I've been using protein. And another one I got here is apple cider vinegar fiber gummies with the mother fiber gummies. So it's kind of probiotics, yeah? No, it's just a gummies. Apple cider. Gut health. Okay. I like everything about gut health. When we're not getting any younger, we need all the gut helping stuff. And probiotic. Yes, I love probiotic gummy. I like probiotics. I'm using at the moment the babushka kefir. It's a yogurt drink, which is really good for my digestion. And kombucha. I use kombucha as well, because there was a time that I got stomach infection, and after that I tried to incorporate probiotics in my daily diet, and it helps. And I'm so scared to get that tummy problem again. It's not easy. And I also have here liquid IV hydration multiplier electrolyte. Okay, lemon lime electrolyte. I thought actually, guys, that you can only use electrolyte when you have loose bowel movement like diarrhea, but anytime you can use it actually to hydrate yourself. That's what my son told me. Thanks to him, and I can use it once a day. So it contains 24 sticks oral powder. So I opened it. 24 sticks of it. Liquid IV hydration. so bad at holding a camera. Liquid IV hydration multiplier, lemon lime electrolyte drink mix. What it says here. The direction of use. Add to 500 ml of water. Oh, it's like for one whole drink of water for me, 500 ml. I actually drink less water, but this might help me drink more. 500 that will last me at work per day. There it is. Put it back. 24 times 500. And another one here is Absolute Last and Bro. So I think it's a serum for your lash and brow. So I think I know this one. I think this is the one that will make your brow thicker and lashes also. I've tried a different product before. I mean, way back then. I don't remember what year. I think it's more than 5 years ago. But I got some reaction on this. On that one. I got it online. Because, that's my... I don't have a very thick lash on brow. So, nangarap. I'll try this one though. It looks gentle. So maybe this will look good. Why not? Let's do some. I'm going to do some patch test and then continue using it. But if I like it, then I keep buying. Maybe I'm not too young to grow some hair in there. I mean, my lashes and more. Absolute from Chemist Warehouse. And last one is, look at what I have. L'Oreal brightening serum mask. All the brightening coming my way. Mamumuti tayo nito, a lot of mask for me to use. Sana hindi tamarin para sipag. But look at what else I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I have another mask hidden somewhere. The one that I'm using, and I think it's perfect since warmer weathers are on their way. So this is a very helpful product for me. Thank you, my dear Jova. Thanks for all my goodies. And I said everybody head now to Chemist Warehouse for good stuff like this. And that's all for today's Chemist Warehouse haul. Thank you for watching. See you next time in my vlog.